my fellow MQrians. I am reaching out to you in really very unusual circumstances. I am talking about COVID-19. As far as this virus is concerned, that has spread in 207 countries, and India is no exception. In our own country, we have more than 20,000 identified cases, and yesterday, in fact, I was given to understand that the cases have gone up by 2,500, and we have close to 700 deaths. Very, very unprecedented situation that all of us are experiencing as of now. Both central government as well as state government, they are playing their part. It's a matter of happiness, so they are working together. They are ensuring that new guidelines are being issued, new measures are being taken to contain the pandemic. But for efforts put in by everyone, the situation could have been worse. We at MQR are also playing our part. I am happy to state that we have given close to 20 lakhs of tablets of hydroxychloroquine to government of Maharashtra. We have distributed a lot of masks. We are distributing PPE. You must have heard the jingle of famous singer Shan. And in fact, next week, we should be distributing another 12 lakhs of, donating another 12 lakhs of tablets of hydroxychloroquine to either Centralpur or government of Maharashtra. We'll keep on doing, and plus, other medicines we are giving as well. So we are also doing, our part of the job to ensure that we also play a role, in this national calamity. Having said that, I would like to acknowledge the efforts of each and every MQrian to ensure continuity, especially those working in the factory. I think all our factories, whether Hinjewadi, Kurkum, Sikkim, Bangalore, or for that matter, Jammu and Kashmir, in spite of most difficult, trying situation, they are working at almost 65-70% capacities. We are ensuring all the norms that are required to be followed, like social distancing, or for that matter, all the guidelines which are issued by Government of India and stricter guidelines internally issued by our company. Maybe sometime in future I'll share the video of the job that is being done by our people. It's not easy to come and work in those difficult and trying circumstances. Many of the guys are coming in spite of family pressure and other things related to COVID, because it's a matter of conviction that all of us are contributing to the cause of the country and cause of the world, since we export our products to various countries. It's a national duty, as we are part of essential commodities. Guys in factories, I am extremely proud of you. Keep up the good work you are doing. Similarly, the guys, the MQrians who are part of finance, HR, supply chain, distribution, R&D, they are also playing their part to ensure continuity. Things can never be normal. It can never be 100%. But in spite of that, we are working close to normalcy. And all these guys, whether working from the office or working from home, they are ensuring continuity. My field people, it's not easy for you guys who are in the field 24/7 to stay back at home. But at the same time, don't get demotivated. Don't get disheartened. Make use of the time. Because, let me tell you, each crisis is also an opportunity. Make use of the time to develop the selling skill, improve your product knowledge, improve your competitive knowledge, and for that matter, go through the training and webinar, that the company is conducting. So as and when the situation improves, you are a much better person and equipped to face the challenges, coming our way. My fellow MQrians, let me tell you that once, COVID-19 is behind us, the situation is going to be drastically different than what we have faced in the past. It's going to be a paradigm shift. We are going to face a lot of new challenges. The economy is also going to take a while before it returns to normalcy. It's going to be a total shift in the behavior pattern of each and every one. So get ready to face the challenges, and if we make use of this crisis, to hone up our skills, we will be better equipped to face the challenges. I think company will do everything possible to help you guys, to ensure you stay safe, healthy, and we are all together, and we'll face the challenges and emerge a much stronger and better company going forward. Thank you.